Hello guys, what's up? So I'm back again for another tutorial video. So in this video, I will going to show you how to download the WhatsApp desktop app on your PC or laptop. So if you are interested, then keep on watching. But before all that, if you are new to my channel, consider to like and subscribe for more videos like this. And also, you can comment down below if you have something that you want to make a tutorial about. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial. So to download the WhatsApp desktop app on your PC or laptop, it's actually pretty easy. Just follow what I'm going to do. So for the first step, I want you to go to your Google Chrome or any web browser on your device. And once you're on your web browser, next you will need to go to the official website of WhatsApp, since that's where we will download the app. So just search for whatsapp.com on your search bar. And once you're on the website, there it is guys, you can now click the download button right here. And then the installer file for WhatsApp will now be downloaded, so you can now click the file to start installing the app. And then the app will now start installing. Just wait for this to be finished. And once it's finished, it's done. Congratulations. You will now have your WhatsApp installed on your PC or laptop, so you can now start using it. And so that's just how you do it, guys. Now that you've watched this video, you can now do it yourself. So that concludes for our tutorial video for today. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.